Both the female and male met online in a dating app called Destiny. Nicole, known as Trix in the dating app, decided to chat with David, who was known as Chua in the app. They chatted for many months, filled with love and thrill. One day, they decided to finally meet up in a cafe called Yardstick. Chua arrived earlier than expected and sat on the corner, waiting for Trix to arrive. Trix finally walked in, nervous but excited. She slowly made her way toward him, but just as she was about to reach him, she tripped and fell right into Chua's arms. Chua gently helped her stand.
You should be careful, otherwise you will get hurt.
Yeah, I know. Anyways, it's Chua, right? Nice to meet you.
So what's your real name?
My name is David, and they say my name is sweet and kind, especially for you.
About you, Melly, what's your name?
My name is Nicole. I'm good at taking pictures.
Morning. May I take your order?
I would like vanilla latte.
For you. I would like to order the same as her, please. You will go. No matter that.
Let's just eat and talk about our lives.
Oh, I was a manager at a company.
Oh, that's cool. I was nurse.
Nurse? Really? A nurse? Oh no, my heart is beating so fast. What should I do? Looks like I'm falling for it.
As time passed, they eventually shared their real social media accounts.
I have to go. I have work tomorrow.
Okay, do you want to ride? I can take you back to your house.
I'm okay. I had a good time with this blind date. I'm hoping for more to come.